Welcome to iNurture Videos. In this video, we will discuss the history of e-commerce. After going through this video, you will be able to describe the history of e-commerce. In today's world, one of the most popular activity on web is shopping. One can shop anytime, at anywhere and at any place at their leisurely time by just connecting to internet. Sellers can create and publish their website on mobile application to display and sell their specific goods and services. Now let us see the history of e-commerce. History of e-commerce goes back to 1960s when business were conducting electronic transactions over primitive computer networks. Using EDIs, company could share the business-related documents like invoice, order forms, and shipping confirmation with other company computer. In 1979, Michael Aldrich demonstrated the first online shopping system. In 1981, Thomson Holidays UK installed first business-to-business online shopping system. In 1984, first business-to-customer online shopping system was launched, while CompuServe launched electronic mail in USA and Canada. In 1991, the National Science Foundation allows the Internet to be used for commercial purpose. In 1994, Netscape launched Mozilla browser with SSL encryption that made the transaction secure. In 1995, Amazon and eBay sold its first item. In 1999, online-only shop Zappos began its operation. In 2000, dot-com burst happened. In 2005, social sites like Facebook is born. In 2008, Groupon is launched. In 2015, Amazon.com leads the online retailer list. Now let us look at how e-commerce emerged. Although the internet arose to advance in popularity among the general public in 1994, it took around 4 years to develop the security protocol, for example HTTP and DSL, which allowed the quick access and determined connection to the internet. In the year 2000, excessive number of business companies in the United States and Western Europe represented their service in the World Wide Web. At the time, the meaning of the word e-commerce was altered. People began to describe the term e-commerce as the process of purchasing of available goods and services over the internet using protected connection and electronic payment systems. Even though the dot-com collapsed in 2000 led to unfortunate results and various of e-commerce companies disappeared, the bricks-and-mortar vendor recognized the benefit of electronic commerce and began to enhance such capabilities to their website. For example, after the online grocery store Webvan came to ruin, two supermarket chains, Albertson and Safeway, began to use e-commerce to enable their customers to buy groceries online. By the end of 2001, the major form of e-commerce business-to-business model had around $700 billion in transactions. According to the available data, e-commerce sales sustained to grow in the next few years, and by the end of 2007, e-commerce sales accounted for 3.4% in the entire sale. Now let us look at some of the major e-commerce retailers. History of e-commerce is unthinkable without Amazon and eBay, which were among the first internet companies to allow electronic transactions. Thanks to the organizations, we are now having defined e-commerce sectors and relish the buying and selling advantages of internet. Currently, the top 5 largest and most famous worldwide internet retailers are Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Rakuten, and Zalando. According to the statistics, the most popular category of products sold are apparels, computer hardware and software, autos and auto parts, consumer electronics, office supplies, music and videos. Now let us look at few of the driving forces behind e-commerce success. E-commerce businesses have abundant benefits over the offline retail locations and register operations. Customer browsing online goods can easily search to find accurately what they are looking for while shopping and can easily compare the shops with just few clicks of the mouse. Even the tiniest online retail site can sell products and turn a profit with a very simple online existence. Web tracking technologies permit e-commerce sites to closely track customers' liking and provide highly customized marketing to their entire customer base. With the growing e-commerce, sellers can easily expand their business beyond their city and country. As the popularity of e-commerce business endures to grow, the technology will only continue to advance and making even easier to open and operate a virtual online store with or without a brick-and-mortar existence. While e-commerce is still moderately newfound territory, it certainly offers adequate opportunity for industry of all types. In fact, sales data shows that from 1999 until 2008, e-commerce sales have increased gradually and now account for nearly 4% of total sales worldwide. Let us now summarize what we have done in this video. We saw how and when e-commerce started and how it transformed the traditional way of doing business. We saw the timeline of some of the major events that happened in the field of e-commerce. Then we saw some of the major e-commerce retail websites. To conclude, we saw few advantages of driving forces behind the success of e-commerce. Thank you very much for watching this video.